Hello everyone, welcome to another Java video. In this video, we're going to be doing a string length filter problem. We're going to create an array list of strings and filter out all the strings that are longer than a specified length, and we're going to store the result in a new array list. Here we go. First and foremost, since we're running or using an array list, we have to import java.util array list, just like how we would import a scanner. Okay. And our goal is to create an array list of strings. So let's get that first started. We're going to create an array list called words. And we would also have to specify that this is going to be composed of string. Okay. Is equal to new array list string. And bracket bracket to end it off. And now we have created an array list that is going to be composed of string values called words. All right. And now we're going to need to enter some values. We're going to do this very simple. We're going to say while this is true, we're going to create an infinite loop. And then we're going to say system.out.println, enter a string. We'll just say X to exit. All right. So then we'll say that if first we'll need a string input is equal to sc.next line, and we will say that if input equals we say that it is equal to X. And we also need a bracket here. That perfect. We are gonna say that if the input is equal to X value, what we're gonna do is do a break. We're gonna stop our loop, and then we're gonna say otherwise. What we're gonna do is take that input value and add it into our words. That is simply just using the add method, and we're gonna add the input to our array list. And if you want to see what that would look like, let's just say system.out.println our array list plus words, and let's see what would happen. So we will go java compile video34.java. Oh, we're missing a semicolon there. And we'll do java video34. Okay, so if we say hello, goodbye, world, park, and capital X, we'll have all these words separated by a comma inside our array list like so, and we have strings hello, goodbye, world, and park stored in an array list. Beautiful. So we'll say that this is string array list creation, and finished. And after that, what we have to do is the following. We need to say that we need a length. We need to only store strings that are longer than a specified length into a new array list. Okay, so we'll say that array list string again. We'll say proper words is equal to a new array list. And essentially here we're creating an empty string based array list. Okay, and then we're also going to need a target value of a size. So we'll say enter the max size. And then we can say that we're going to have integer max size is equal to the integer parse int of sc.next line, so that we can convert that into an integer right away. Okay, and then we're going to say that for string word from words, we're going to say that if word.length is greater than max size, we get to add that to our new array list called proper words. So we're going to say proper words dot add word, and then we can say system.out.println words that are greater than plus max size, and then we can do system.out.println the proper array list proper words. And then we can end it off like that. So we can say that. We will compile, run our program, and we say hello, goodbye, world, park, and X. We're going to say that our max size is 4. We want to see longer than that length. So we're going to say 4. And we have hello, goodbye, and world because park is not part of it because it has 4 characters. We want it to be greater than our max size. So we have this string that's been stored in proper words whose length were greater than the value of 4. So we should just call it min size. Okay. That. Perfect. That. Awesome. So in this video, what we talked about first is just, well, with an array list, we don't have to set a size of our array list right away, so we can dynamically add. As you can see here, we can mutate our array list by adding on new values into the array list. Okay. And we also learned that we have to now import array lists into our programs. And then we just ran a simple for each. So we were able to determine that this word, temporary variable, comes from our string array list, and each string can have this length method so that we can actually see how many characters there are. And if it was greater than the size, what we did was we added on to a new array list we created where we're storing words or strings that have more than a certain amount of characters set by our input right here, and we were able to output it like so because our array lists are nicely printable. Okay, so as always, thank you for watching and stay classy.